Well, good afternoon. I'd love to share with you Spekulatius from Germany. They're an authentic Christmas cookie that my recipe is over 100 years old, and it is a handmade shape formed cookie in carved boards like this board over here. The recipe is my grandfather's recipe. He came to America in the 1920s and sent back for boards so he could make them in his Sierra Madre, California bakery. He did not sell these in the bakery because there's so much work. He only gave them at Christmas as gifts. But this is a family tradition that my family has, that we make spekulatius every Christmas and give them to family and friends. So if you're interested in them, I'm with Santa Claus at Waterwise in Bonsall, California every Christmas season. And I live in Fallbrook, and you can find me on Facebook. And the family recipe is my page on Facebook. And I'm Jackie Anthony. Jackie Anthony is my Facebook page, and the family recipe is the family page for recipes of Spekulatius.